officially announcing the permanent termination of our talks between the government panel and the Communist Party of the Philippines. I would like to announce that I am no longer entertaining any interventions or maybe persuasions in this democratic state of the Republic of the Philippines. My sense is that you can maybe talk to the next president of this republic one day. It is indeed very important to engage stakeholders and communities in combating insurgency and preventing the spread of extremist